I only wipe the floor once a week. To start this tip today, in a bucket, I will add a tablespoon of salt. Next, I will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, being an ideal item for its alkaline effect. Another essential item in this mixture is detergent, and only 2 tablespoons are enough for its action against fat. To complete the tip, we will also use 2 tablespoons of vinegar. In contact with baking soda, it will generate an effervescent effect that directly helps in the removal of stains. Alcohol is one of the last items, and we cannot forget, being fully responsible for the removal of dirt that is stuck. The optimal amount for use is 3 tablespoons. To facilitate the dilution of the products, I will now also add 1 liter of hot water. The water temperature is what makes this tip so effective. Then we must mix all the ingredients well. I'm sure this tip will facilitate a lot in cleaning the floor of your home. To complete the mixture, I will also add another liter of water, bringing more yield to the product. To finish, we will mix one last time, and it is already ready for use. If you prefer, you can put all the mixture in another container that will make the application easier. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Maria Silvestri from Scalia. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. If you prefer, you can even apply the product directly on the floor, and only if necessary rub with a broom before using the cloth. If you prefer, you can also put all the liquid in a bottle and apply only when necessary. This mixture replaces any product purchased in the markets. I'm sure that for this mixture you have all the ingredients in your home, and besides not spending anything, it will make your cleaning more practical. For sure, only a small amount and using cloth, I can remove any stain from the floors. You will thank me for the ease in using this mixture. Tell me later if you got the expected result with the use. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.